This is Mark, and today I'm going to be changing out the heater control board on my Ream heater. This is an older unit. It's the second heater that I have. I have one on one side of the house, and this one is an actual air conditioner and a heater. And I've determined that the control board is bad, so I'm going to be changing that out today. I'm not going to go through all the steps of diagnostics or anything, just basically the steps involved in changing out the board. The inducer motor would start, and then I'd hear the spark from the direct spark, and but it would never come on. And plus I was getting some flashing code on my board, so I kind of determined that it's a control board. In all cases, you want to make sure you turn the power off before doing anything. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out this fuse. This area here is where the control board is behind this access panel. I've already taken out the screws. And loosen these up already. Okay, so that was where the control board is going to be located. Now you should have a diagram on the back that should tell you about the codes on the board, and that's listed right here. It should be somewhere on your access panel. Okay, so it's the next day I put the board in, and I've got everything marked here as far as the wires, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready to start connecting it back up. One thing is, when you put the board in, just make sure you don't tighten it down way too much or anything like that to crack the board. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start putting all the terminals back on. Okay, so I've got everything hooked back up. I'm going to go ahead and go downstairs and turn this on. I'm going to keep the fuse out for now, so when I put the fuse in, I'll be able to see it come on, and hopefully it's going to go ahead and fire back up. Okay, so now I'm down at the thermostat. Even though I still have the circuit breaker taken out up on the over by the furnace, I'm going to go ahead and put it to heat. Go ahead and raise the temperature up. Right now it's showing 67, but I'm going to go ahead and put it to, doesn't matter. As long as you get past 67 degrees. I'll put it to 77. It's on heat, it's on auto. So I'm going to go back up and go ahead and put the circuit breaker in. And hopefully this one will go ahead and fire back up. Okay, so here's the circuit breaker. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in. And hopefully this is going to go. Booster motor coming on.
be ready to spark in just a second, I hope. There it goes. Okay, lit up.